Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating Cookie Monster images for cups and for treats. Now let's go ahead and start. We're on Design Space. We click on your left hand side where it says Images. In the search box we're going to type in Cookie Monster. And we're going to select the image we'll be using. We go to filter and I'm just going to go ahead and click on purchased images, and where is it? Right here. This is the one we'll be using. It's a print and cut image. We click on the image, you'll see it on the bottom of your screen. We go ahead and insert images. This project is pretty simple and fast. This is a print and cut image, and we're going to size it 2.8 by 2.8 for both items. And we lock it. I unlocked it, go to the width 2.8, go to the height 2.8, and we go ahead and lock it. If you notice on your, where is it? Oh my goodness, it took me back. Something's wrong with my mouse. If that happens, you can just go ahead and click on cancel and it'll bring you back to your canvas. If you notice on your right hand side, you have some of the images that are covered. Let's ungroup. I'm going to ungroup because I don't need double layers of the cookies. And I don't need double layers of the eyes, nor, I don't know why this image is this way. I'm just going to go ahead and delete. And we just have one image. You'll notice right here on your left hand side is just one image. It's already flattened. We go ahead and click on make it. Once here, you will select the amount of images you need. Let's see how many fit on our 8.5 by 11. Let's click 4. Let's do 6. 6 images will fit in on your 8.5 by 11. Some people get confused or ask, why can I fit 6 images of 3.3 on an 8.5 by 11? The answer is right there. Your image is only 3.3. So yes, 3.3 you can fit in an 8.5 by 11. Rather than the limit for Cricut, which is 6.75 by 9.25, you cannot fit 2 images 6.75 by 9.25 on an 8.5 by 11. It'll be bigger than the 8.5 by 11, so it will not allow you. But yes, you can fit even 1.5. You can fit maybe 10, 15 of them on an 8.5 by 11. Now, let's go ahead and click continue. We have 2 different types of cardstock that we'll be using. First set of cardstock is the waterproof for the cups. Then the second will be regular 65-pound cardstock for our treat boxes. Once on this side, we're going to go ahead and select the machine we'll be using. We go ahead and select send to printer. Once on this side, you select the printer you'll be using, the copies you need, add bleed so it'll have a little bit of space on the edge of the image, and we click on print. Once you do that, we go ahead and take your mat, load it to your machine, and set your material on your machine. If you're using 65-pound cardstock, you can go ahead and set that dial to cardstock. Once you do that, you load your mat to your machine and you press your flash and go button. After you cut all your images, I'll see you back at the table. Boxes, these are used either for cookies, french fries, any type of food. And we'll be making also these 10-ounce cups. We have our straws. These are regular sticker paper for the boxes, and these are water resistant for the cups. Just gonna go ahead and put on my gloves because I'll be handling food items. Okay, take our first box, and I will add the link of where I found these boxes. They come in different colors. I prefer white because you can go ahead and decorate them however you prefer. Okay, we have the box, and we go ahead and take our first image. Trying to get my knife so I can peel it off. It's kind of difficult when you have gloves on. Just go ahead and go around it. Take your box, center, and place your sticker on the box. And we go ahead and take our cups, and from this side, let's go ahead and we place it on our cup. We take one of the lids. I'm going to show you how to do it. The lid. Take one of the straws. Okay, and there it is. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest like I was saying, and I'll post a picture at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Have a blessed day, and as usual, happy crafting.